Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Friday on behalf of Heywood Healthcare. Gorgeous day. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt for the first time and shorts. I won't show you that part. And flip flops. I'm just excited. We're going to barbecue on the deck tonight and lots of yard work tomorrow. Totally looking forward to it. Let's hop right into our COVID update. Our positive rate in the community is at 9.1% versus the state at 4% through the course of the pandemic, but our rolling average for 7 days is at 12.14%, almost 3 times the state average. And that, I think that number is grossly underreported because a lot of people now do their testing at home with their own tests, or they just don't do anything about it. Our inpatient census is at 11. So remember there was a time we were at 0 or 1, so we are definitely bouncing back up. And so I just encourage everybody to be careful. We also have an increasing prevalence of the flu going on, according to Joan Doyle when she gives us our daily updates at our huddle. So just be smart, be out there, wash your hands, socially distance, wear a mask when appropriate, all right? We had our Service Recognition and Performance Awards on May 11th outside under a tent, and we recognize the contributions of our service of our staff ranging from 5 years to 55 years, which was Nancy Cloutier at 55 years, also a graduate of the Heywood School of Nursing, which I believe had its last graduating class in, I think, 71, maybe 72. And she's just, and still works for us per diem, helps us out when she can, so that is fabulous. Mayor Mike Nicholson and the City of Gardner received our 2022 Community Health Partner Award, and Onsite Academy received the Community Health Hero Award, and Tiffany Osborne, one of our psych RNs, received the Healthcare Professional Award. Some pictures for everybody here of that great night. Thank you to the Colonial for hosting us outside safely in the tent. We also had our monthly Stepping Out for Service Award, which is our Employee of the Month that we do selected by the President's Advisory Council, all staff who make these decisions based on recommendations from peers. And Bernice Hardy from the ED was our recipient last week, and you can see a picture of her doing that. We also have a nursing assistant program that we're partnering with Mount Wachusett, and that is to train people who are interested in getting into the healthcare field at the bedside, and we will train you and pay you during that training and get you on board, and then perhaps you want to ladder up in your career. So please reach out to us via our website or anybody at Heywood if you're interested in that or know somebody. There's some information right here as well, which makes it easy to do. Our telemed launch, we launched our school-based telemed program at the ACES School-Based Health Center in Athol and provided the first telemedicine appointment at a school-based clinic. And I believe it's the first school-based telemedicine clinic done for consult at a school-based health center in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. And so again, nice picture here of our coordinator, Rebecca Sawicki, who is the monitor with the monitor at Athol Elementary School. So please take a look at that. Our advanced practice provider, APP, Kristen McMahon, was there as well. So it's all there. It's equipped with telediagnostic equipment that we got through a state grant to do that, and really exciting to have that happen. To make that happen. So we're continuing to be a leader in telebehavioral health services for our school-age children in the Commonwealth and really in the country for the work that we do. Please remember that if you have symptoms of COVID-19, that Paxlovid is available to treat patients, and there's a link to find out how to get a hold of that. Also, our supply chain, at least for crutches, has improved, so we no longer need donations of that, and we greatly appreciate the outpouring of support of crutches and walkers when we needed them. There's also a Massachusetts Working Wellness Conference, and they're free and Zoom based on different days, so you can see that here as well and click onto that. Just a reminder that the Athol Golf Classic is August 8th. Sign up, sponsor, be a part of it. The registration deadline is July 8, although it seems far away. It isn't actually far away. We're also doing a toy collection for Ukrainian children, and there is a box that I've seen toys in outside the gift shop at Heywood. A reminder to all staff that our new parking tag system, so you have a tag for your car, that is in a system. We need, if you haven't provided your license plate, please do as soon as possible so we can continue to provide patient-first parking. And we need an accurate count in our database, because if you haven't got your tag, very shortly you will be ticketed if we don't know who you are parking in what might be the wrong place, and we will, after 3 times, tow you. We just have a zero tolerance at this point in time, and we need to make sure that our patients and visitors have parking, and also that staff on different shifts have the parking that they need as well. On June 1, there was a COVID-19 vaccine clinic at the Gardner Senior Center in partnership with Community Health Connections. There's a number to register there as well and get information. A blood drive at Monty Tech, and there is still a continued shortage of blood in our community, and that is on May 14th, which is tomorrow, at Monty Tech. Save the date. The Relay for Life is June 10th here in Gardner. Ride for Your Life, August 21. Our Golf Classic at the Heywood camp for the Heywood campus is September 12th. A lot of planning already going on for these events. And then information on where you can get boosters. I have had my second booster. I encourage everybody to get 1, vaccinated. 2, if you've already been vaccinated, get your first booster. If you've already got your first booster and you're in the window, get your second booster. The prevalence in our community is incredibly high right now, and we need to protect ourselves. And taking care of ourselves is something we also need to do. And so if you are on our staff and you need some behavioral health support, which we heard about Onsite Academy when we gave them the award, and the encouragement to make sure that you seek out help and support, there's information about the Quabbin Retreat and clinical and support options there for you. And as always, we are looking to hire amazing people to join the Heywood team, and you can click on our career page right there as we roll into what is going to be the first gorgeous summer weekend of the year. And I hope you all have a chance to enjoy your families and get outside. And if you're like my family, get your shorts and flip-flops on, fire up the barbecue, and enjoy your weekend. Take care. We'll see you next week.